Hi guys, see if we can put this one together. It's a helicopter and I've already worked out that I could have made it thicker. The slots are plenty wide enough. They're going to slop around, so I'm going to have to glue it on each stage, which is going to take longer. I will go and modify the file because I've printed it 1mm thick, but I reckon we could go 1.5 easily. We could probably go to 2, but then it would be too tight. But certainly 1.5 would go in there easily, in those slots. In case you haven't watched these before, these are, or at least I'm getting these designs from laser cut files that are designed to be cut out of wood with a laser. And obviously the slots in the file are designed for the pieces to slot together based on the thickness of the piece of wood you're going to be using as your that you're going to cut out with a laser. But then I resize the file to fit onto my 3D printer bed. So if I make it smaller, it makes the slots narrower. So I tend to print them, so I've already said 1mm thick. And quite often that's right. Sometimes it's too thin, still too thick, and I have to open the slots out. But this time it's gone the other way. So, as I say, I could have made it thicker. So, what am I going to do? I'm going to try and glue it together. If I glue it together a bit at a time, it's going to take me a long time to do it, but at least it may fit. So we'll use good old Poundland super glue. I'll just bring the chair up so I can sit down. Right, off we go. As usual, noises in the background. That's the dishwasher this time. That one's not going to stick in the middle. Like I say, once we've got a few more bits in there, it will help support itself. And you get that white sort of powdery effect as well when you use the kicker. Yeah, definitely have to reprint this a little bit thicker. It will go together easier. Yeah, that looks okay. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And you might like to have a look at my channel over here. See what else I do. Thank you for watching.